Davies. Fi wedi bod yn Coleg Benfro am 2 blynedd. Rydw i'n 19 mlwydd oed. Rwy'n dod o Hindi Gwynna'r Daf a rwy'n siarad Cymraeg a Saesneg yn fy theulu a gyda fy ffrindiau. Rwy wedi bod yn gwneud arlwyo yn Coleg Benfro. Rwy wedi bod yn defnyddio'r iaith Cymraeg gyda'r cwsmeriaid a gyda unrhyw un arall sy'n gallu siarad Cymraeg. Rydw i'n gwisgo'r bythodyn Cymraeg rownd y restaurant ac yn y gegin. Rwy'n defnyddio fe pan fi'n gallu gweld unrhyw un arall yn gwisgo'r un bythodyn a rwy'n siarad Cymraeg trwy'r gwers wedyn. Rwy wedi bod yn defnyddio'r iaith Cymraeg y gymaint fi'n gallu ar y cwrs. Rwy wedi helpu Mark gyda'r pwydlenni ambell waith, enghraifft noswaith Dewi Sant caethon ni blwyddyn diwetha. Nes I cyfieithu rai o'r geiriau Saesneg I Gymraeg I rai o'r disgyblion I deall beth oedd hwn yn meddwl yn Gymraeg. Rwy'n defnyddio'r iaith Cymraeg gyda fy teulu ac yn fy bywyd cymdeithasol, enghraifft rwy'n rhan o'r clwb ffermwyr ifanc. Rydw i'n secretari fyna ac rwy'n defnyddio'r Cymraeg y faint y gymaint hefyd. Rwy'n hefyd yn cymryd rhan yn fy capel yn Hindi Gwynna'r Daf. Fi'n darllen mas ar y bore dydd Sul, neu fi'n canu, neu rydw i'n acto amser Nadolig neu amser Pasg. Rydw I wedi bod yn Coleg Benfro am 3 blynedd ac nawr fi'n mynd I brifysgol yn Newport ac rwy'n gobeithio I cadw'r iaith Cymraeg yn fynd achos mae'n mor bwysig I fi ac rwy'n gobeithio I defnyddio fe mwy yn y dyfodol gyda'r disgyblion newydd neu gyda'r athrawon neu unrhyw ffordd fi'n gallu helpu I cadw yn fyw.
Shwmae, Rosa dwi. I'm a lecturer at Gwobr Coleg in Haverfordwest. I teach catering and hospitality to year 1, 2 and 3. I had the privilege of teaching Gwenno Davies and she was very much a Welsh speaker and she wanted to bring the bilingualism into our real working environment, which is our restaurant in the college. She was fantastic with our students and customers, introducing the meet and greet in Welsh and also promoting the Welsh culture, wearing the badge that she had on her tie every day. She was very good at speaking in Welsh to our customers and she very much went from Welsh to English so she could very easily control that for us. She taught me quite a few words in Welsh and we had a Welsh evening and for St David's Day and she turned the menu into Welsh by herself and then we introduced that to our customers as well and tried to give them just the Welsh version on that occasion, which worked really well. She's very much helped out in other events in the college, the Shwmae Awards. She came and she did canapes and gave out produce of what our students had made. And she also did the which one was it? The Eisteddfods that she's got involved in. She's very much a young farmers in Whitland and she's entered competitions which she's asked me for support in the past. Which she did very well in, I think, in all honesty. So she's very much a Welsh speaker and she's very academically, she's really helped us over the last academic year to be able to promote the Welsh language and the whole culture of Welsh, being Wales, sorry. So, thank you. Bendigedig.
Rwy'n hapus I cael ei enwebu am y Gwobrau Shwmae oherwydd bod fi'n hapus bod rhywun wedi sylweddoli fi'n defnyddio'r iaith Cymraeg ar fy cwrs yn Coleg Benfro.